Welcome to Foglight Video Solutions. This video is an introduction on how to create rules for user-defined collections. My name is John Sekalauskas, and I'm a technical product specialist for the Foglight product. This video provides an introduction on how to create a rule for a user-defined collection, UDC. These steps are applicable to any database agent which has the capability to create user-defined collections. For a detailed explanation on how to create user-defined collections, please refer to Knowledge Base Article 262094. For more information on where user-defined collection topologies are found in the Foglight database topology, please review Knowledge Base Article 102328. To begin, log into the Foglight console. In this example, we will first briefly create a user-defined collection for Oracle Database Agent. Access the Database Agent Administration panel by selecting the agent and clicking Settings and Administration. Click the User-Defined Collections menu item. At the bottom of the panel, click the Add button to create a new user-defined collection. If this is the first time adding user-defined collection for an agent, the user may be prompted with a pop-up confirming which database account should be used for the collection. Click the Set Details button and then add a collection name, collection description, and the SQL query text to use. For this example, we will use an Oracle query that checks if the IT admin user account is locked. Click the Verify button to confirm the query is valid and the object can be read, and the Close button to confirm the results. Next, let's set the data types and collection properties for each row, and click the OK button when the configuration is complete. Finally, save the changes for the new user-defined collection. The new collection should be enabled and listed in the panel. Let's return to the database's dashboard. Drill down into the database agent and access the user-defined collections panel. For Oracle, it is found under the Activity menu item. In the user-defined collections panel, the username and account status is listed. For this example, the account status may be open or locked. For the IT admin user, this account is currently locked in the database. Next, let's check the topology to review the metrics that are presently being gathered by the collection. Expand the menu and change the expert view if it's not already visible. Then navigate to Configuration Data. Expand Administration Management Server, All Data, the type of data model, clusters, agent name, database, custom query route, all queries, a variation of name user-defined collection, query results, username, and account status. Here, the value of the metrics and the times collected are displayed. Now, let's briefly create a new rule to notify users when the IT admin account is locked. This rule will be a very basic demonstration of the functionality. Navigate to Administration, Rules and Notifications, Create Rule. Add a rule name and description. For this rule, we'll keep it as data-driven and a multiple severity rule because if an alarm is created by a multiple severity rule, it will be cleared by the system when the severity returns to normal, or if a user clears the alarm. If an alarm is created by a simple rule, user intervention is required to clear the alarm. Let's add the topology type into the rule scope and verify it. The test results pass, so let's click the Next button. Let's configure this rule to send a warning alarm by enabling the warning condition, adding some rule logic to check if the account status is locked, and then include an alarm message. In the alarm message, we will add some variables that are configured in the Severity Level Variables tab to include account status, the name of the collection, and the username. Once this panel is complete, click the Next button. The next three panels allow the user to define a blackout and effective schedule, trigger the rule based on a number of evaluations, and define rule variables. In the Define Rule Variables panel, the user can also add customizations, such as the email message to be sent out when the alarm fires. For this video, however, let's just save the new rule. The new rule is shown. Since this rule is a user-created rule, it will not be associated with a cartridge in the Rules Management panel. Next, navigate to the Databases dashboard. Once again, let's go into the User-Defined Collections panel for the agent. This will cause the collection to be rerun. The collection is run, and when we return to the Databases dashboard, the alarm is fired and the alarms pop-up can be viewed. In this video, we walk through how rules and alarms can be created for user-defined collections. To learn more about Foglight for databases, visit us at support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us at Quest Experts on Twitter.